till now what we get, we cannot just simply implement servlet interface in our Java classes. What we have to do is we have to work with server, maybe of Tomcat, maybe of JBoss, Glassfish. So first we have to download these servers and configure it in our Eclipse IDE. Let's see how we are going to do that. So Apache Tomcat, maybe 9th version is the latest one. This is the website Tomcat Apache. This is Apache's website and the version is 9 point something. Just try to download the latest one according to you. Here is a 64-bit version. Let me just save it. I got it here. It's downloaded. Let's extract it. Extract to this folder. We got this folder right here. Now the next part is how to configure it in our Eclipse IDE. Let's open Eclipse. Here I have, and it's open. Simply choose a path. It's just a folder, nothing else. If you don't have Eclipse, then also try to download Eclipse, the latest version, and then go with this processes of configuring by downloading this server. So Eclipse got open. This is what you will get when you get into your Eclipse IDE. Just close it and just close other things. Let's see how to configure the server that we have already downloaded. There are multiple ways to do this, but the simplest one is just go to server and click on this. This will get you to this pop-up. Here are the servers: IBM server, Apache server, Oracle server, Red Hat server is also there, but we are going to work with Apache because we have downloaded it. We have to choose our server version. We are going to work with 9. We downloaded it already, and here we are going to choose where is the file that we have extracted. Go to the browse, select this file we have extracted, but this is not the file. Why? Because we have another file inside this. Here is going to be a .jar file from where we have extracted this folder, but inside this folder we have another Apache Tomcat folder. This is the real one where we have other folders of Apache. This one is just an extraction of the jar file. You can see here the same one, but the real one is inside this. So select this one and select folder. Now we have no errors. Just go to next and finish. Now our server is configured very well, which is of Tomcat. From now on we are good to go and create our .java files to accept this type of data that we are going to enter, or any client is going to enter from any website, and then we have to cache that data in our .java file. So we have configured this server on our server machine. Now we have to create .java files, and then we are going to implement this servlet interface. So servlet is nothing but the .java file, simple .java file, which will extend or implement the servlet interface, or maybe it is going to extend the implemented classes of the servlet interface. You know the request dispatcher in Java, right? So we are going to see how we are going to create servlet, or you can say .java file, in our Eclipse IDE and deploy it on the server. So in next video we are going to see how we are going to create servlet, which means how we are going to create Java class by simply implementing servlet interface, or maybe by extending the classes which are going to implement the servlet interface, the subclasses of servlet interfaces, and then how to then how to extract this data from the request that is coming from the client, like this, and what further things we can do with that data which is coming. Suppose we are going to get these values in our servlet right here in our Java class, then what are the other processing we are going to do to add this boat number and response back to the client. So here we can see the output, which is 4 plus 2 is 6. So just stay tuned for next video.